liftoff. Go Falcon, go NG-24.
And liftoff. Science and supplies soaring to the International Space Station aboard the SS Stephen R. Nagel.
The chamber pressures are nominal.
Vehicles pitching downrange as all 9 Merlin engines continue to perform well.